Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, Friday morning, June 6th, first Friday of June. Hey, let's do it right. Let's do it right. Hey, I see there was a scare yesterday in the market, but this morning looks like we're setting up for some opportunity. Let's get some more charts going. Mom, good morning. Good morning. Appreciate you stopping by. The stocks are currently moving up. Here, let's zoom out. Aloha, Tundra the H. Good morning. Top of the morning. Here, let's slide this on up. Up it goes. Still trying to see what that range is going to be. We're pushing to start the day. Tesla. I mean, it makes sense. Yeah, with that whole Elon Musk Trump situation, it makes sense. But hey, it is what it is. Let's see. Stock Market, good morning. Apex, good morning. Hey, shout out to the 5 people that came through and smashed that like button too. Kinda enticed by Robinhood this morning. Let's get a quick look at PayPal too. Let's see. Not PayPal, I meant Palantir. Where's Palantir at? There we go. Oh, is that the case? Alright, so we open in 13 minutes. Okay, I see the likes at 9. Corey, good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna have to turn the AC up a little bit. It's a little bit toasty in here, just a little bit. Am I still in that Webull trade? Yeah, I'm gonna hold that for a while. So this is the trade right now. Webull 22.5. It expires in January. So yeah, I'm gonna be in it for a while. Or unless Webull goes crazy in the short term, I'm gonna be in it for a while. But I think at these levels for Webull, I really like it. It's like I want to pick up shares. I might just pick up another option. But if we zoom out, look at Webull. For me personally, here, let's go out to the daily. So Webull, if we come back to this 958 level, I'll probably grab another Webull contract. I might try to look for one closer than the one I currently have, but I think there's lots of opportunity for that Webull. My life be like top of the morning. Gato, buenos dias. Maria, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, Big Rez. Got that podcast tonight. I see Trump and Musk are arguing. Israel. Kinda, sorta, but it's like, hey, I had to know the market would be back up. It's really just hurting Trump right now. Or not Trump, it's really hurting Tesla right now, but yeah, there was definitely a lot of opportunity yesterday. I didn't really take advantage of it. I got to take profit on that SoFi yesterday, but other than that, I was just looking. I was like, I might have to get my money ready to buy some stuff, but didn't really buy anything yet. Dwight, good morning. My life be like took profit yesterday and long. Yeah, that's SoFi played out, and I'm kind of glad we took profit on that yesterday because SoFi came back up. So yeah, that ended up working out. On my iPad, I can only like the stream when it's in full screen. Interesting. Hey, we know how we can like it. That's all that matters. All right. Speaking of liking the stream, family, we got 31 on stream, but we got 13 likes. Can we close that gap? Hey, cause just like the market, we gotta close gaps around here. All right, what else can we look at aside from Weeble? I don't expect anything to happen with this. What's Google looking like? Google's very similar to yesterday. Slide that up. Yeah, we're still pushing right now. Okay. Still pushing. Okay, it's looking like we're going to sweep this. Did we hit this yesterday? Was that it? Yeah, this high we made yesterday. There's a little more liquidity up here. We might try to go for that. I don't know. We'll see. Thoughts on where Tesla could possibly be headed today? Honestly, no idea. It's like I see things. I see where it is right now. I would like to see where it kind of how it responds here first. But I would say if it comes up anywhere near this kind of 318, 317 area, I feel like that might be a good area to take it short. But other than that, no idea. It's possible it doesn't move. It's possible that it does. We just have to wait and see kind of how it happens. But if it runs up here at open, in my opinion, that is a good spot for a short. And also, it does seem like it needs a little relief just to kind of cool off. But I honestly would not fully expect this to be done selling off either. So, hold on one second. Let me check. Let's check on. I just want to know where I'm starting the day off. Okay, I got a day trade, or I got a couple, but might be willing. I might be open to a 0 DTE today. We'll see. We might have the volatility for it. Might be some craziness today. We'll see. If I do, it'll probably be something like probably early. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. All right, what NMAX look like for a put? What's the volume on that? Let's see. So it's still in a downtrend. Honestly, it seems like it's been a continuous put since the last time you asked. But honestly, to me, like here, there is some liquidity at this 1422. And it's almost like I would say it's kind of like Weeble, where it's like, yo, there's this liquidity here. What's the actual this is different. I don't actually know too much about NMAX, but it's really close to IPO level. So it's like I would, like, if this were something I actually saw potential in, I would actually start considering, like, hey, should I buy this? Like, should I add to this, or is this just something I'm going to be trading? Because this is kind of the levels to start maybe loading up. So it's like there may be some downside potential, but it's like right now, I personally would stay away from trading it to the downside and start looking maybe up towards it, just because of how oversold it is on the 4 hour and how close it is to its all-time low. So it's like, I don't know, risk to reward both ways, kind of. Because gotta think there are some buyers waiting down here as fast as it ran up. All right, let's see here. Let me get this in order. Patrick, good morning. Christine, good morning. Southern Magnolia, good morning. Kelly, good morning. APLD, I've been printing with it all week on over. What do you think of? I think it's good. I think it's money. Oh, so yeah, it did pull back last night. Going for it again. Here, let's draw a little range on it. On the morning. Yeah, but I think it looks good. All right, let's see. Tatiana, good morning. Daniel, good morning. Natasha, good morning. 26 like, appreciate you, M Sense. Grand Rising. Hey, be sure to smash the like button if you haven't, family. Where's the bread at today? We'll see. I'm kind of enticed a little bit by Robinhood. If I see the right moves on Tesla, I'm interested in that. I might go for a 0 DTE. We'll see. Let's see. You're very welcome, M Sense. Here, quick check in. Where is it at? Okay, XRP at 216. Circle came out yesterday already. CRCL. Is that what I saw something about a IPO in the after hours? Okay, that thing is running. All right, but there is some liquidity up here at 105. I'm going to leave that one alone. Yeah, I usually like to wait for them to do their thing so I can kind of see a little history. See Smooth, top of the morning. Good morning. D-Scurv, Elon, and Grump, the gloves are off, for real. Hey, they are not playing games. Honestly, I felt like Trump was being kind of chill at first. I'm like, okay. I feel like comparatively, I feel like what is this? I feel like Elon is definitely more at his throat than Trump is, but then he said the thing about him being on the list. I'm like, oh, all right. So I was like, hey, it's wild. Tyler, good morning. Dang, added that 290 strike put to your watch list yesterday. Yesterday on Tesla, it was when it was about like 285. I was looking at getting like a swing today for a call. It's up $17 from where I would have did it or where I would have grabbed it, but also the one I was looking at was so far from the money. I think I was looking at the something like 317, something like that. I'm like, that's a big move. So I didn't take that chance. I left it alone. We got a market open in a minute. Henry, good morning. Tell me a public argument that can't crash. Oh, tell me a public argument can't crash a stock and pull some others. I cannot do that now. All right, Kelly. It hit the fan with Trump and Elon. This is how my brothers and I used to fight. What was I gonna say? I saw something. I saw a post on I don't know. I think it may have been Instagram or something, but it was talking about. It's kind of, I guess it was kind of a joke, but it was like there's a blue-haired person keying my car as well as I think it said there's a blue-haired woman keying my car as well as a man in a red hat keying my car as well. And it was kind of going at like the whole, now I guess neither side likes Elon, I guess. But I was like, okay, nobody mess with my Tesla, please. All right, so we got Google pushing to start today. Here, let's go down to the 15. All right, so Robinhood hit that resistance and like just sold off immediately. I'm hoping Robinhood can actually at least push up to this trend line. Yesterday I saw Robinhood after hours. I was like, oh no, it was looking good for a short, but I wasn't thinking it was going to happen just yet. All right, so here, let's. Yeah, I'm gonna need Robinhood to chill out just a little bit. Okay, so we got the SPY and the Qs going for it. All right, so we got a lot of movement going on right now. Kind of just gotta chill and wait it out, let it do its thing. All right, Kareem, good morning. I think it's all a show for the public to. I had that same thought, Big Rich. I had that same thought yesterday because I'm like, yo, I'm like, this is lining up with the technicals a little too nice. I'm like, it's like wrestling, bro. Like WWE. It's all a script. Next thing you know, they're gonna be friends again. But the argument, I'm like, hey, the things they're saying is very, very believable. It's only so much Trump can say. He's already endorsed him now. He can't just act like he was wrong for. Very true. I feel like they're teasing us today, SPY at the same. Yeah, that's why. After I was done yesterday, it's like I looked. I was like, ooh, what can I possibly buy? But I was like, I'm still bullish until we're not bullish. I'm like, yo, this like the way things have been going, this is going to be disappeared by tomorrow. So I was like, I'm gonna just leave it alone. I thought about making a little video talking about the markets crashing. I was like, let's not do that because this will get aged out very fast. So let's see. Hey, Matt, good morning. Master 3DRC, good morning. W buy going up. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that thing's, hey, it's going. It is going. All right. Oh, let me come down on APLD. All right, so SPY testing that resistance. Let's see if it can get it here. I'm gonna slide this resistance up to where that liquidity was yesterday. I might go light on a put there. I don't know. Or actually, I feel like the move is still to kind of just wait and see what happens. Oh yeah, we got that 200 EMA on Tesla too. I would love to see Tesla come up to the 200 EMA. And then I would love to take here. I'm gonna put the 200 EMA up on everything right now. Okay, the SPY is above this. Let's look at Robinhood's. Where's that at? Oh, that's the 13. So Robinhood pulled back to the third or the 48. I want to see Tesla at the 200. Here. All right, let's see. Good morning. See the date on the 0 DTEs are crazy. Hey, let us keep going up. Let us keep going up. Let's let here, we're gonna let some time pass, so we don't need to hop in 0 DTEs right away. Let's see. Hopefully we melt up for like an hour and a half, and then we're able just to snipe something. So we're gonna play the patience game today, and hope we get a sniper opportunity. Like maybe around the end of the stream we get like some like cheap, and then we just get to get in there. So it's like right now, hey, calls, Like, calls are doing their thing. Let the calls do their thing. And like, I'm really leaning towards like I would like to see Robinhood get up here. It looks like it'll probably, like, if it's at the 76 area, I like the idea of a short there. And then if Tesla can get up here to this like 317, 318, I like the idea of a short there as well. SoFi breaking 14 mean anything to you? Nope. I closed my put on SoFi yesterday. Took profit on it. Right now, SoFi should still be below that trend line. So yeah, it kind of touched that trend line yesterday. It can kind of come up and make another move once again, but until it like confirms above the trend line on the 4 hour, nothing. It's because it's on the lower side of this. Let's see. AMD, yup, it's here. What's going on with AMD today? Oh, very similar. Like, look at that. SoFi, AMD, they're kind of trend lines wise. I mean, like, over the past day, similar, not like how they've been moving. Dang, APLD is like straight up today. All right, so Hood is crossing that resistance. I'm going to need Robinhood to take his time, though, because here, let me go up to a 4 hour on Robinhood. Oh, we still got some liquidity up here, too. Here, I'm going to slide this support up to the liquidity from yesterday. It's like if we sweep that, hey, that's the, or we get up there, that's my entry on Robinhood for downside. It's very well possible Tesla might give us nothing today. Okay. They have said that tech been different. I've been telling people that about this market. Bad news comes in double tops. Yeah, I don't believe it. Musk wants the public to like him again. Good morning. Hey, good morning, Mike. Yeah, Musk is he's trying to make enemies everywhere. But I don't know, this has always been his personality. Like I read that Elon Musk, or I listened to the little Elon Musk biography or whatever. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. But now it just sounds like they're going to have to extend it, and this will just be another chapter in it. There's like so many things like this in it. Like, it even goes on and talks about him, and like whenever he was mentioned in court with the whole Johnny Depp and Amber Heard thing. It like goes on, talks about their relationship. There's a lot of good stuff, or a lot of interesting stuff in there. Frank, good morning. Hold on. Trump, Elon together on it. The best way to get incredible hair campaign lifted. Pretend to join them. All right, so we are pushing resistances right now. We're going for it. Let's see how long we run. I'm gonna have my EMAs on. So here, I got that on the 4 hour. I'm gonna bring Robinhood back down to the 15. Here, let's get App Loving going too. Or not App Loving, Applied Digital. They just crossed to the upside. We'll turn AMD on too. Let's see what they're looking like. Everything is bullish to start today. That's cool. I wouldn't mind Tesla dipping further, only to break through the... Tesla very well could just be range bound today. It's not doing anything right now. Tesla still technically crossed to the downside. So they need some kind of... rode a bit of the falling knife. Hey, good stuff. Did not play Broadcom. Oh, I didn't even... Here, let's see how they did. Honestly, with the news and everything yesterday, it probably wasn't a good like segue into it either. It's like gotta dislike when you do that, especially if you try to ride a run up, earnings run up. I do see a what how long ago? Oh, that was before the market was open. Okay, disregard what I'm saying. As soon as I place a sell call on SoFi, it decides to consolidate and not start increasing. Did you do anything with it yesterday, Henry? Didn't play Broadcom either. Hey, good stuff. The timing yesterday was wild. Your stream ended, and then no, yeah, I was. It's always like that, yo. It's like the stream ends, we get the action. But no, it'll be cool. Like right here, we're pretty close to what I tell y'all. Like if we continue to kind of move up, I would like to see us like all time highs is this blue line up here on the SPY at like 611. So I think it'd be great if we can continue to kind of move under, and then like sometime like if we push up like crazy today, which is very well a possibility as well. If we push up like crazy, we can I don't potentially be here on Monday. I am kind of looking to see kind of how we respond at this level we're at right now. To see, it's like it may also be worth it to go for upside. I don't know, but I'm leaning towards downside. But I would need like trend confirmation, like a trend change confirmation, or to go in early at like a sweep of something. Jump into 8. Hey, good stuff, Tatiana. So catch a short. We'll see. Um, it's let's not forget it's Friday. They like to play games on Friday. So ideally, like my best case scenario is we don't get a real change in trend, or we don't really show anything until like Euro close. That way the data has run out on the puts, and if they want to take it and then run things around the other way, that's cool. Here, let me look at SoFi. SoFi looks like it's running this morning. Okay, SoFi is back at the trend line. I am less enticed with the idea of grabbing a short here because they had just tested it yesterday. So I'm gonna leave that alone for now. But it does look like there's a little bit of liquidity to be swept there. So if it doesn't get above like 1432, it could be go for a short. I'm not going to trade it today, but that's there potentially on SoFi. Good morning. How is DTLR? What is DTLR? I don't see anything for DTLR. APLD, buy call, pay. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, APLD kind of going crazy. Good little move to start the day. Hey, top of the morning, Will. If Ford doesn't go for it today, I'm thinking about. Here, let's check in on Ford. Are you talking about for 1050? That's a big move. I'm not saying it's not possible, but that's a big move. What's the SPY on the 1 minute? I refuse to go down to the 1 minute right now. That'll get me in the wrong mindset. I'm not trying to get scalpy. This market will. Oh, I don't set my stops for that. I don't have enough day trades for that. Like it'd be one thing if I had like 25K to trade with, and I could like set tight stops and whatnot. But in this market, if I get my mindset there, I'm just gonna get slaughtered. But right now, SPY, I would imagine on all the lower time frames under 15 minutes, probably very overbought, because it is very overbought on the 15 as well. But yeah, we're just kind of running up to start the day. Exactly my thoughts on Broadcom. AVA yet again. Yet again. Thought they had it yesterday, but nah, it's still going. Dang, SoFi's still going too. Oh, that reminds me. Hold up. Oh, I see some green in my portfolio. MRK looks good. Looks good for what? I mean, honestly, everything aside from Tesla kind of looks good right now. I'm up 200 on a SPY contract ending the day. Should I? If you, I would say usually if you have to ask if you should take profit on something, it's probably a good time to take profit on it. That's just my saying though. Oh, there you go, Tatiana. Yo, there you go. Hey, tell them how it is. Oh, sorry, top of the morning. Yeah, tell them how it is. My life be like Dollar Tree. Need. Oh, just know, just because you need the stock market to do something does not mean it's gonna do it. Yeah, I don't know how this moves. It doesn't move like a typical. I don't know. It's like it. Honestly, this seems like it would be a good area. Like this seems like a supply zone up here, so it looks like it can sell off more. But what it's gonna do by the end of the day, I have no idea. It's like the volume on it's very low as well. It's like I like to trade things a little bit more popular. Did have some good volume for earnings though, but that's earnings. Disney coming up on resistance. I think puts are probably a go for anything after they run it up. Like, Disney is very choppy. I was like, hey, maybe there's some liquidity at 115.66. I don't know. It's not my favorite. You can go for it. It's not my favorite. It's not like here. This is a. I mean, if you're looking on the 15, it's like it's overbought, but I mean, you can go for it. Change to a cash account. So once again, it's like that's not gonna. The cash account's not the move for me because I can still get free trades on a margin account. And it's like I'm not one to. I don't know. It's like we all have different psychology. We all have different things that'll work best for us. And it's like, if we're going to succeed in trading, we need to, it's like some of us need to try all the different things and figure out what works best for us. So it's like, usually what I say to people is, when in doubt, zoom out, give yourself more time to be right. But some people are just impatient. So they got to take it and get it right there. But it's like, patience is one of my strengths. And it's like, I usually see that whenever I allow things to play out or allow things time, they work out. So it's like, I usually kind of play that. And it's a lot easier in my mind giving things time and just kind of being like, oh yeah, it plays out when you let it. So cash accounts don't really serve me well. APLD. Yeah, we got it right here, mate. Matthew. Is that a ticker? Does it say LO? Is that IO? I don't know what that means. What's the plan for today? To get this bread. That's the plan every day. Does it go according to plan? We'll see. But yeah, right now I'm kind of waiting to see what's going on today. April, good morning. Happy Friday, yes. Cheedy, good morning. See profit, take profit. Was up 200 on APLD and was waiting. Now I'm up. Oh yeah, if you're in a 0 DTE, yeah, probably not the worst idea to wait. Y'all holding APLD? Not anymore. There was a point I was in at like 8. I might look to get back in it at some point. Tesla about to do another rug pull, I think. Yeah, it's still crossed to the downside. It is still crossed to the downside, so we'll see. It very well could. I would love to see it go up before coming down, but it does look like it de-scurved. I will second that. Option call on Circle would have been clutch. I mean, depending on how much you pay for it and when you got in and when it got out. I'm up on APLD, but not much at all worried about the elevator down. That's how they that's how they do it. Well, we're 23 minutes in the market open. Yeah, I'm still trying to wait, see what happens. I might sit on my hands for the first hour or so. Oh, hold up. I see a day trade coming in on a SPY. It's a put. It's from 11 minutes ago. What's that? But where would it go? Here, let's see. Oh, wrong chart. Let me see. We did, hold up. So we do have this liquidity here. It's our first time above it. We don't have a complete candle for confirmation yet. Let's see what Trump presses Powell for a full point interest rate cut despite strong jobs report. How do we think that's going to affect the market? We got Trump pressing Powell again. Here. Let me see what the options are going for. Here, I'm gonna throw my 0 detail. Oh, hold up. Oh, okay. Looks like I got a 0 DTE on the SPY. I grabbed the put. I grabbed the 597. I'm a little early for sure, but yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure. I'm gonna be able to. I'm not sure if this. I'm gonna be able to share that with the family in the Discord at the pace of things. But we have not confirmed to the upside, so I'd like to see if we can at least make it to uh this 13 EMA on the 15. If not back to support, that would be clutch if we can make it back to support. But all right, so we're selling off a little bit, up 12%, 13%. AT&T at it again. What's it? Oh, with my internet? Is my internet messing up? Oh, AT&T is going crazy. Matt, there's your child, bro. There you go. All you needed was an extra week, Matt. Let's see. Who are you watching? So everything you see on here is what I was watching. I was hoping to get a short on Robinhood, but now I got a short on the SPY. We'll see kind of what plays out, what conspires from here. Crowd moving. That it is. That's a large move. Chase, good morning. Finally cracked 600 on the SPY. Let's see if we actually crack it, or if it's here. This is where I would like to take profit. Right there. If they lowest interest rates, America is going to be so wealthy. Some people, it's gonna depend. It's gonna depend. Like some people are in some bad situations right now, but it'll make things a lot better. Is I think America could start healing again, but I feel like it's late at the same time. TSLL rugged. Hey, let's see. You said, can you hear me now? Wait, what was the last thing you said, Ab? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, good morning. Happy Friday. Done hopped in TSLL. $10 put. That seems like a long. Where is TSLL right now? Oh, okay. I guess that's not as far as I thought it was. I thought TSLL was at like 50. Oh, I guess it was. Well, disregard that. Knew I should have taken that 28 call on T. Yeah. Coke typically tends to do better whenever things start going down. Yeah, it's doing this thing a little bit right now. It was, and it came down to 1 cent. What came down to 1 cent? All right, so we have not confirmed above this. Where is it? Here, let's actually slide that down just a little bit though. Yeah, we have not confirmed yet, so because of that, if we don't confirm, yeah, I'm cooling in this put. My goal target is here. Dang, the PCE is kind of high though. Even after that large run up we just had. TSLL might be bouncing now, oh boy. Well, right now it's towards support, but it's still in a downtrend. It never crossed up for being an uptrend, at least on the 15. Like, so if it's still in a downtrend on these lower time frames, right now I would lean more towards it ripping down as opposed to it ripping up. All right, so hood it failed to confirm above resistance. So I'm gonna move this back down here to support. So got a little bit of selling off going on. All right, so SPY selling off a little bit. Wait, what was that? Okay. Okay. SPY. Yeah, come on back down, man. Come on back down. Hold on. Something just said. Oh, SPY is crossing that level a little bit. On downside, it will act just like going up with pullbacks, lower lows, lower highs. Hey, that's the move. Hey, that is what a downtrend consists of. Those lower lows and lower highs. All right. So selling off a little bit more. Well, did I grab a 597? They don't want to make these things quick. All right, George, good morning. Happy Friday. All right. Hey, this is your friendly reminder that just below the video there is a button, a little icon, looks like a little thumbs up, referred to as the smash button or the like button here on YouTube. Hey, when you get the chance, come through, smash that like button. How do you determine where you want to take profits? So I just look left on the chart. So I see there is this demand zone right here. This was the last, it's a demand zone on a lower time frame, but it's a demand zone. This is the last black candle before this large move up. So usually I'll just look left, and wherever you see like a swing point, like a directional swing point, like if we drop down to a 5-minute, this isn't a straight, like it didn't just go up in a straight line. There are points where it pulls forward and goes back. So if we were to draw this, it's like we had a move up like this. We traded kind of sideways. Then we had another move up like this, traded sideways, another move up. Now we're kind of pulling back. It's like wherever you see kind of these like either consolidations or these points where you swing and change direction, that's going to be a key level or an area of interest. And I really just kind of look to the next one. So yeah, the next one, not on the 5 minute, but the next one, like there's consolidation here. So it's like maybe 598.44 might be another one if I were looking on the 5, but I was looking on the 15. So this is the one that I saw. Thoughts on cores and a $12 leap. Let's see. I still don't really know anything about it. Core Scientific. So it's still on the bottom side of the trend line, oversold. So right now I lean towards puts on it, just short term. But if you have a leap, that's that's potentially a different situation. Like on the daily chart, it's like oversold, but on the weekly it's chilling. On the 4 hour it's also chilling, so I can't really. It's actually in an uptrend on the daily chart too, though. So I really don't know. There's appears to be resistance at like 13.26, and then also a pretty large gap. So I would think that since you have a leap, I might try to like ride up to 16, get that gap filled in before I exit it, with the potential of adding more on any retest of the lows. I got you, bro. 68 lurkers trying to reserve Alcatraz for. Oh no, yeah, can't have that. Hey, we got 18 more. 18 more. You come out from the shadows, smash that like button. Hey, we'll be free. Hey, good morning, Josh. Is Tesla still going down or consolidate? Right now it's consolidating. It looks like it's going to come down, but right now it's consolidating. Yeah, so right, yeah, it's the EMAs, like with the cross and everything, it's still crossed to the downside. They're back close together, but it's looking like they're gonna come down if we get some more volume. I'm up 35 on the leap. I'll take profit if it gets to 40. Oh, that's cool too. As long as you got a plan. Down 557 on Tesla. Did you get like, is that an option or is that shares? Will, I got you. Oh, I appreciate y'all, family. Yesterday was a great day for the put on TSL out. Only issue is I got out too early. It'd be like that a lot of times, honestly. See, I want to say sometimes, but it'd be like that a lot. Oh, also, I'm seeing, now that I'm looking at the SPY on the 30, I'm seeing these Scarves legendary candles. I just need a pullback. We can still run up. I just need a pullback. Oh, I also just saw a put go in on Tesla. It's a day trade, and strike price is kind of wild. It's for next week's expiration, but it's like a 265 put. Okay, let's see. Palantir going to take another hit today? I actually saw a call going on Palantir today, or like a trade for a call going on Palantir, so not sure about it. Yeah, let me go up to a 4 hour. Okay, yeah, the 4 hour looks better when I look at it on the 4 hour. It's like, oh yeah, we're not even yeah, I might just watch on the 4 hour right now. Today might be one of those days where I kind of just step away and just let it do its thing and hope I get closed out in profit, but we'll have to see. Okay. I made about $70 on 2 contracts. Hey, that's cool though. Oh, SPY sound off a little bit now. Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it. See what we're looking like on the 15. Yeah, that's what we like to see. What's the put looking like? Probably not. It's up 11%. That's cool. $6. We'll take it. Options. I did a no last Friday, but thank God it doesn't expire until. Okay, that's. I hope so. Hope so. That is plenty of time, but you can see a lot of things happening. The 1 hour on the SPY is 3 green. Oh no. Hey, we just need a pullback. We just need a pullback, these curves. That's all we need. We usually get these retests on the 13 anyway. That's all we're asking for. It's not even to the 13 for the retest. Let me drop to a 5 real quick. Oh, hold up. So that's the 5. See if we can like pull a little past that. SPY starting to tell its story. That it is. I'm gonna need it to chill out. Yeah, this is the market makers trying to trap everyone. SoFi is back down to 14.12 here. So it looks like, yeah, it did sweep. Looks like that would have been a good short. All right, so we are hugging this resistance level right now. Yeah, I'm about to have a little snack. Don't mind me. I'm on the SPY put as well. Almost stopped out, but hey, there's strength in numbers. But honestly, they're probably trying to stop us out so they can move it. So I was actually leaning towards a put today on Robinhood. Personally, that's what I was looking at. It's still in an uptrend though. So that would be trading with the trend, you know. Trend is your friend. And Robinhood didn't do what I wanted it to do for me to take my put, so I guess there's still the possibility for that, but right now, if we're talking about for the day, I don't necessarily love a call on Robinhood, but if you got a little bit more time, like kind of where it is right now, I do like calls on it. Assuming we close above this kind of $75 area on the week, which would be on the day. APLD coming back. Yeah, it's trying. Pushing back to that high. Look at the 4 hour on the SPY and go back to March. Here, let's see. Come on. March 24th. Wait, that's February. Okay, let me draw an arrow so I know where we're at. Look at the 4 hour on the SPY and go back to March 24th. Feel like I'm trying to put together a code right now. So we're here. Last time we were here was about February 24th or so. Speaking of trend, do you use the 4 hour? So when it comes to the trend, I just kind of, whatever time frame I'm on, I'll kind of use that to just determine whatever trend is going on. So like right now I'm on the 15, so this is a trend for the day. The trend for the day is up, or is, yeah, it's going up right now. It's in an uptrend for the day. It's like I use all time frames to kind of determine the trend. Speaking, oh wait, okay. Recently, everything seems to go up, and then once noon hits, everything starts dropping. Sounds about right. NAMM going crazy. Yeah. Hennessy Capital Investment. Going crazy. Okay, so that's about when I get off. That lines up. Just a suggestion. You let someone periodically through the stream come on and ask a question live. I mean, I think that'd be cool. Yeah, I think that would be cool. Honestly, just have to figure out how to do that. So FCell has been all around. It's been all around. It can be like, this has gone up a lot. This has gone down a lot. It's been everywhere. Oh, they've done some stock, I guess, reverse splits on this. What is this? It says split, but I feel like it was a reverse split. If it's worth this much, Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, FCell, yeah, there was a point it was worth more. Yeah, they definitely did some reverse splits on this. I would leave that alone. This had hype whenever Joe was I would say around COVID. Lulu, they just had earnings, right? Their options are terrible though. Know that. Yeah, so they sold off for earnings, like they should, honestly. Their clothes are overpriced, in my opinion. And then it's like you can get the clothes, like the exact same clothes. I don't know. You're just paying for the logo, in my opinion. I don't think there should be a company that's thriving right now. No politics, nothing like that, but I don't think they should be thriving like they kind of have been. But yeah, they sold off. But they're at a level of support right now. The dip in recovery is what I was looking at on SPY and the time frame March to June. Okay, here, let's. Yeah, that was kind of incredible. Like, so yeah. Yeah, so it fell for about a week. And then yeah, it's been recovering ever since. Now it's just on the downside of that recovery. Sounds about right. News moves this. What do you think of what do you think of Gap starting an uptrend? Oh, like the actual company stock or the actual? Yeah, you talking about the company? I would like to see them get above this resistance at 22 first. All right, SPY trying to sell off a little bit more. Come on. Come on. Hey, dude. Hey, just a quick one. Just a real quick SPY. I'm not asking for all this theta burn. I want violence. Speed and violence. I've been burned on FCell. Yeah, I can. It seems very easy to get burned on. I've been on the side of it. I've had FOMO with FCell, but I didn't trade it. I'm just like, dang, there was a point when I was getting this as free stocks on Robinhood, and then I would just sell it right away, and then next thing I know, it's like a couple $100, and then next thing you know, the price just kind of goes down, and oh, FCell is interesting. Yeah, I have a put on the SPY, but they're gonna wait till I close it to do anything with it. Is like the SPY put I have, it's not a recommendation or anything. It's just I'm playing with some risk. I remember trading this in the pandemic. Hey, for real. All right. let's see what the SPY is looking like on like the 5. Yeah, it's still holding up right now. Yeah, it's hugging this level right here. A lot of sellers trying to push the SPY down. SoFi puts. So I called the opportunity for SoFi puts when it was at like 1432. So now, I would say it's. I mean, you have potential for SoFi puts, but I would say that the move is kind of late. But yeah, earlier in the stream when it was at 1432, I liked it, but now it's like it seems like you're trying to chase because it had bounced off the trend line over here, or it swept this liquidity at 1432. It's like it can definitely go further. Like we still have this gap. It'd be really nice if, honestly, best day if we come fill in the gap. Hey, we did it, family. We did it. 100. Appreciate y'all. All right, once I get another win, I'll be joining the family for sure. Hey, you're already part of the family, Tyler. Already part of the family. That reminds me, who was asking about Ford, because that's what Weeble is giving away for free right now as far as new subs go. So here, let's see. Fair. Hey, have you ever considered going to work for a stock firm? I've had offers, but I don't I don't like the corporate structure. Um oh, I don't know. It's like I do good, like I do well, like I don't have like a feeling or need to like kind of question and push authority. But oftentimes, whenever you have someone like breathing down your neck, trying to, I don't know, every company I've worked for, there are always these metrics and numbers and performances that they're going for, that someone above them is kind of pushing for and whatnot. And it's like a kind of chain of command where it's like, oh, we need these numbers. It's like, oh, we know this situation's going on, but okay, hold up, we're getting our sell off. Let me consider throwing a stop loss on. But it's like, no, I don't like traditional jobs. It's like I liked working at the Amazon factory for the most part because they just left me alone. They're like, oh yeah, we just want you to go at this rate. It's like as long, and the rate was like very easy to do as long as there was stuff there. And then like, I don't know, sometimes it would get annoying when there wasn't enough stuff or just wasn't space, and they're like, yo, we need you to go at this rate, but we understand there's not space, so try to do what you can. It's like, okay, yeah, I'm doing what I can. So I don't like the idea of working. It's like I like working to learn things, but it's like when I stopped working at Best Buy, I had kind of got tired of they would try to push us to get people to get credit cards. It's not the move in my opinion. Like it's like I know how to get credit cards from people, but it's like a lot of the people who were coming in from it's like, nah, you don't even need it. It's like I would like go in telling people like I would make sure I told them like all the downside. I told them the upside too, but it's like I made sure I like told them all the downsides before they did it, and it's like usually that way I could in good conscience be like, yo, that's a decision they made. They had all the information, but nah, I'm not. I wouldn't want to work for him. But I've thought about it for sure, and I've had offers. I just not a move for me. QBTS trying to make a move, but I think I like buying the stock itself. I feel that, Tyler. Oh, that it is. Still on the lower side of the trend line, but hey, that it is. How's the SPY looking? All right, so we got this movement down. We're below the 13 EMA. We got this first candle selling off a little bit more. See where we can go with this. All right, so we're up 26% on that right now. Wait, where's Southern Magnolia? SPY. Yes. Oh. Well said, Matthew. Be your own boss. Make your own. Hey, for real. Yeah, now I get to work with companies like individually. And it's like, all right, I don't like the way this company is. I just don't work with them. It's cool. It's like I'd rather be on a partnership basis as opposed to having someone over me. It's like I don't necessarily like telling other people what to do, but I also don't like being told what to do. It's like if someone comes to me wanting to know what to do, that's different. I don't like just asserting. Unless it's a sport, I don't like asserting my dominance over people. But yeah, if we're competing in something, you will get asserted. Don't try me. TSLL playing with. Oh, hold up. So we're trying to push up a little bit, but we're still kind of coming down. TSLL playing with. But also, if you're playing me in sports, I'm a be nice to you until you start trying to. Oh, if you want to be competitive, if you want to talk trash, I'll do that. I'll do it with a smile on my face. But otherwise, if you're just like chilling, if you're learning new to something, I'm not going to be that guy that's going to just make you a highlight reel. TSLL playing with my emotions, consolidation. That's what they do. It's a Friday. As long as it stays under my levels. You're a good person. Appreciate that. I play Roblox. I just try to be like the man with the sandals, young Jesus. Any important news or tweets happening today? Hey, we'll see. We will see. Probably like whenever I get off this stream. Hey, you'll see it. You'll see it going. But I'm going to the pool today, so I'm not going to be paying too much attention. How the SPY puts just above even. Hey, profit is profit. I see this is the 5 minute, but we just confirmed below. Let me see how wrong chart. Let me see how we're looking on the 15 real quick. Yeah, I just want to see if we can get to this. Wait, how much further? 98.67, 598.27. Oh. Let's see what we look like on the 1 hour. 4 hour. When the stream ends, Tesla falls to 200. Bro, that would be some money right there. Yeah, I wish there was a way this chat group could still talk even when the stream is over. So hey, just so y'all know, the there is a general chat in the Discord. It's kind of, I'm not gonna lie, it's not what it used to be. I personally have a hard time. Let me check in on it. Honestly, it's like I do drop in a couple times a week. I'm a little more active in the 52-week challenge channel. Here, I'm gonna share the link to that specific channel if you are in the. That way, if you are in the Discord, you can see it. But wait, let's see. Wait, where's my mouse? Yeah, we're trying to be slow with it. No, there's swing calls on NVIDIA. Oh, hold up. I forgot about that. I still like that. Hold up. I forgot about that. Yeah, I might take my put on a spy and try to hop in a swing for next week on NVIDIA. Really want it to hit my target, but let's see. Market's still like melting faces off to the upside. Hopefully Mara takes off. Where's Mara? APLD still running. We got about an hour till Euro close. I'm hoping the Europeans roll through and say they want to push it down. What am I thinking on NVIDIA? So I think at the beginning of the week I was like, yo, I can see NVIDIA, like we have the trend. Actually, we have it called up right here. So I think we're down on it right now, but I was like, yo, I can see NVIDIA being like 150 at the end of next week. So I said this contract, I was like, I feel like this will do great. So this is just on the watch list. I didn't take this, but I was like, yeah, let's take this and track this because I do feel like NVIDIA was looking good for upside. I didn't think it would happen necessarily that day, but I'm like, yo, NVIDIA still riding the trend lines. And like if I were to extend these out further, let's see. It's still like kind of riding this up. Next level's about this kind of 48 or 148, 150 level, and then there's also 154 up there. But yo, what's up, Achu? How's it going today? Have you ever traded in VDL? I've looked at it, but no, I've never actually traded it. And it's just because a lot of every time I trade like a leverage ETF, the options are usually kind of garbage on it. Actually, I did. When Nvidia had its earnings and I saw they went up this last time, I bought a couple shares and then I sold out in the pre-market, and I'm glad I did because I ended up selling off that day. I was like, yeah, that's probably a good point to sell out. Okay, let's see. Sitting on my hands today, so far watching calls for Palantir, Nvidia that expire end of month and next month. I feel like we're coming down today, but I think they're gonna run the games. I don't think it's gonna be like just a quick whip. But I'm gonna be very annoyed if they wait till the end of the day. Cause it's like we're trending on down, but still got the lower lows and lower highs going. Tempted to buy a put on Tesla just to see what happens. Yesterday would have been bright. That paper trade was up 6K. That's a lot of percent. You know they wait until the stream is. All right, guys, we're gonna end the stream right now. That was good. You have a heart to. Hey, that's what I. Hey, the truth sets you free. It's like I've always felt. Actually, I'm not sure I've always felt bad lying. It's like when you're a kid, I don't know. It's like I've been taught morals, and they stick. As a kid, I don't think I felt, or as like a younger like kid, I didn't feel bad lying. But it's like now, it's like it weighs on me if I lie. You said, "Are y'all in the Discord?" I'm in the Discord. Yo, if you are in the Discord, yo, drop a one in there. Just to just so we can see who in the chat is in the Discord as well. Just out of curiosity. Got out way too early of APLD. Yeah, APLD is doing the running. What happened? Why are you saying? Oh, I was just saying I was ending the stream because that's when they try to move things. That's all. Yes, and Jesus is the truth and the way of life. Hey, that's how I try to live my life as best as I can. Best as I can. So we got a one. I see a one. I see another one and another one. Exactly nothing like being your own boss. Hold up. All right, hold up. Let's let me let Sarah know she's behind. Just a heads up. You're a little behind on stream. There we go. Okay, I'm curious. All right, so to those of you who have memberships, like the channel memberships, do y'all still get ads on these live streams? I'm just curious, cause if they give y'all the ads, that's kind of messed up. Well, to the ones of y'all that don't have YouTube Premium, if you don't have YouTube Premium. You get ads, D-Scurv? That's wild. That is wild. Okay. Bro, YouTube's wild. All right, so oh, and one thing that I realized, even if I do like no ads on my channel, there's still gonna be ads on my channel. Because I got my second channel right. And it's like that channel's not monetized, but when I watch the videos on like another channel or watch it from, on another channel that's not like my main one that has the YouTube Premium, there are still ads. There are mid roll ads. There are ads at the beginning, ads at the end. I'm like, I'm not making money from this. It's so it's like, if anyone's gonna make money from it, it's like, I better get something from it. Let's see. Oh, I don't have my membership on YouTube. Okay. Pretty sure it's just premium that doesn't have to deal with ads. How much is premium anyway? So, YouTube Premium, I want to say individually, I think it's like 15. But if you get the family plan, this is what made it worth it for me, because I was going to get like originally I was just like, oh, let me pay for it for my wife and I. And it's like $24 for your family. Or it's $24 for the family. So it's like cheaper than buying two. Because I was going to buy two, so my wife had it. It would have been like $30 if I bought two. But it's like, oh, the family plan, you get 6 accounts. And it's $24. Yeah, something like that. All right, so we're trying to push up. We're still below resistance, but we are trying to push up. And then also, if you are buying YouTube Premium, don't do it on your iPhone. Don't do it in the YouTube app. Go to like Google Chrome and pay for it there, because you're going to get charged a lot more, because there was a point I was paying more for YouTube Premium, and then I just canceled it and did it on the computer. Yeah, also if you're in the Discord and you pay for Discord on your phone, cancel, or if you're like if you signed up through Patreon, cancel it on your phone, cancel it on your iPhone, and like purchase it on the computer. You'll save some money. Especially when you're addressing a question or comment I made in the chat. Bro, they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing with it. This AI is too smart. They're like, how can we extract the most profit? Do you know why QUBT is up 15% today? No reason specifically. If I had to say, I would say because stocks go up. Let's see if it. Oh, hold on, wrong thing. Looks like it has a. No, I don't see anything really aside from like it receiving a buy rating from an analyst, but it was already at a buy rating, so I don't see anything specifically. Thinking about rolling this call. Honestly, in my opinion, Matt, I would say like you're probably just better off like buying another call if you think it's going to happen, because I would imagine like the rolling it, I don't think it's worth like too much. So it's going to be like more trouble trying to sell out and close it, and like the whole roll thing. There's usually like a few cents that get kind of lost in the mix for the order to get filled. So I think it's going to be easier to close it out and buy it if you want it. Trying to copy and paste that Discord link to join, but when I click on it, it's trying to get me to log in. I think you need to log into your, I don't know, you might need to, if you're not signed into a Discord account, you might need to log into your Discord account or Discord first. If you don't have a Discord account, you need to make one first. Possible bull trap forming. I feel like it's a bull trap on the market right now. That's why I'm still in this put. Like I'm still saying it's having trouble being above that resistance level. This is still a 4 hour candle right here. So I'm keeping that in mind. I'm just like, okay, what's this candle gonna look like today? That's kind of my mindset. I'm like, oh, maybe because it's like, oh, I can lose, but it's like also like if I let it go, it's like, oh, maybe we can end up down here. So we'll see what happens. Because right now they're also drawing in calls, so they're trying to like draw in as much to both sides as possible. So I'm like, oh, maybe if I just sit here, it'll pay off. We'll see. YouTube Premium you mentioned is per month. Yes, I'm not sure if you can. Is there an option for yearly? Let me see. Let's see. What is it? Purchases and memberships. So I pay $22.99 per month. Um. Oh, so you can pause your membership. Um. Yeah, I think it's per month. That's all I see. I don't see any options to do it for the year. But yeah, it's in my from what I see it's per month. You have to be a member to join your Discord. So there are two tiers to Discord. Here, let me show y'all real quick. All right, so this is Discord. Um, let's see. You need to have a Discord account to actually utilize Discord, but so if you don't have a Discord account, you have to make a Discord account, but Discord is free. No, there is going to be a section where you have to pay for, and in order to get in here, you have to sign up through that Patreon link in the description. Like this, pretty much this section is just kind of where I'll have the watch list, like where I kind of give support and resistance every morning, uh, kind of screenshots of my trades. They got like these EMA alerts from Derive AI, EMA cross alerts as well as RSI signals. Honestly, don't really use this too much. I feel like I still need to post the last Zoom call. What? No, this is the last Zoom call. Okay, we're good. We're good. And then, yeah, this is where the conversation should be happening. But like, this is where the conversation has been happening. It hasn't been crazy if I'm being real, but when you first join the Discord, or yeah, join the Discord, you have to press this little check mark in order to be able to see all these channels. You only be able to see a couple at first. But yeah, after you do that, here, let me react fire too. React and fire does nothing, but I was just like, yeah, let me do it. Wait, let's see. Got out APLD too early. It's already almost worthless. Yeah, that's why it's probably going to be not going to be worth it rolling it, but if you want to kind of act on that, it may be worth it to actually what is it? Get the contract itself. I'm logged in on my Discord app already on my phone. I normally use it for gaming. Yeah, oh, so you should be able to do it. You just have to here, let me see if I can hold on, my wife sent me something. Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay. My wife's shopping. But Yeah, a lot of times if you're here, let me see if I can like hop in on the stream on my phone. Let me see. Can I do that? Oh, there's a stream. Um, I'm gonna hop in and smash that like button, of course. And let's see if I can find it in the chat where I like. Oh, do I think we're gonna close green or red today? Let's see. Okay. Let's see if I can find that link. Oh, there we go. All right, so when I click on a link, it asks me what I want to open it with. So I'm just going to do. Okay, so it does try to get me to sign in to my Discord, even though I'm already signed in on Discord. That's just because it's in a different app. But when I. Okay, so yeah, you kind of got to sign in. You can sign into your. Like the account that you use for gaming. And you should be able to. True on the drawing in calls, they know how to do it to know how to take money. Yeah, sometimes patience is the key, and then also sometimes patience goes nowhere on these Fridays. Let's see. Thanks, my annual is only 40. Oh, that's a blessing right there, Henry. You probably had yours longer than me. I'm hoping you had yours longer than me at the price you got it, but either way, that's great. That's great. Yeah, cause I know YouTube Premium's been around for some time. I didn't get YouTube Premium until like maybe like 2022. It was either 2022 or 2023. I was working at Amazon, and I'm like, yo, I'm not doing anything here. I'm not trying to do this forever, so I need to learn. So I was listening to that ability to listen to stuff like podcast and like lives while your phone is locked. That was invaluable to me while I was working at Amazon. So yeah, I was trying to grow while I was working. So I was like in that point in time, I felt like I was getting paid to learn. So I was like, hey, let's get it. One, okay. Okay, sir. Got all the questions answered? Okay, APLD has been gaining and pulling back all week. Don't be in a rush to get out of it. Look at that. Yup, it's up and to the right. Looking at it, it looks like it would be cheaper to roll instead of. Oh, okay. Well, if that's the situation, hey, do whatever is best for you. Oh, that's cool. Wait, hold up. It's 40 for the year though, right? Okay, so you're kind of like grandfathered in, Henry. Yeah, because I've only had it like if you had it 8 years, this might be like my third year of it. I did Amazon warehouse for 8 years. Dang, you're an OG with it. Yeah, I was in the Amazon warehouse too. I did it for two or almost, I guess like a year and a half. I wish I would have had it. I wish I would have done three, or I wish I could have done three, but I went to Europe. But I had like, I was getting the company match, and like every week I had like $50 of Amazon going into my account. And yeah, while I was working there, Amazon had dipped to like 80, so there was like a fat amount of time I was averaging into Amazon when it was like $80. And it was very annoying that like I thought my position vested after a year, but when I left, I didn't realize it. They didn't tell me it vested until after 3 years. They don't even like on the pages. They don't Tesla's breaking above, so it might be going for it. If Tesla runs up to that level, I'm gonna grab a put. Like I will grab a put. I might swing. But yeah, Tesla looks like it's trying to break to the upside right now. I used to drive a forklift part time. I would just listen to the edutainment the whole time I was there. Like you said, but hey, for real. Um, Bro, I was scared to. I saw some videos of like people in forklifts, kind of like I've seen things go wrong, and then people kind of no longer being with us because of like being in a forklift. I'm like, oh yeah. I'm like they try to get me to do that. I'm like, oh no, I don't want to learn that. I'm like I don't. I'm like yo. It's like I don't want to put myself in that position. But other than that, like forklifts look fun. But I'm like, oh yeah, nah. I was like, that would be a way I didn't want to go. Yeah, to roll it's about half price. Okay, that's good. I forgot to tell you I'm starting as an Amazon driver. Hey, I did that. I did it for a summer, like the summer before I went to Europe. So if you have any questions or anything, I could definitely answer them. Yeah, and I still like when the people deliver here and I catch them in the mailroom, I'll still like talk to them a little bit while they're delivering. I was there when they were giving stock at 500, sold at nice. Oh yeah, you were there pre-stock split. Do you have videos on swing trades and leaps? I for sure have one on a swing trade. I would say when it comes to leaps, that's something that needs to be filled in. There are videos where I talk about leaps, but not anything I would necessarily call like it's not anything I would point to yet. But swing trades, it's like yeah, I got a video or two on it. Love driving forklift. Yeah, yeah, definitely have to pay attention. Can I listen to music and podcasts while driving? That's the you can. It's just so the vans, like all the ones I saw, they hooked up to Bluetooth. But also a lot of people, like me included, I just had one ear normally where I had a headphone in my ear. And they say whenever you're like at the station, they would recommend like whenever you pull into the station, or at least where I was, where you're like getting the stuff, like when you're at the station where you're loading up and whatnot, when you're getting back there, to have it out of your ear because I don't know, sometimes you will get written up for that, but it's like they say it's fine if you do it, just don't let them see you doing it. And most of the time the people directly in charge of you don't care. It's just they don't want to lose points for it. Forklift drivers make steady money, old school good money. But yeah, yeah, it's like when I saw those risks, I'm like, oh, now that I'm aware of these risks, I don't want to take it. It's like as long as okay, Robinhood's selling down a little bit. Okay, Tesla looks like it may have been a fake out. Maybe. We gotta see what the candle does. See what the candle does with Tesla. Robinhood's selling down though. We're all over the place. Like forklifts are fun as long as nothing above me where anything can fall over me. Yeah, I'll drive a forklift. I'll drive a forklift for fun. Like I like stuff like that, but nah, yeah, I'm not trying to. Forklifts have had a negative impact on my life. I know a guy that saw somebody get. Yeah, that's the exact reason I'm like, because It fell through the floor and somebody, oh dang, fell through the floor. Somebody drove one into my, oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man. That's, yeah. Okay, Spy, oh, still getting, oh, Spy is playing at that level. I'm still in this Spy. I should probably be out of it by now, but I'm still in. Spy Matthew, I'm in a TSLO call, or TSL, call on TSLO expired next week, and I'll put on TSLO expires today. You think I'll get my money back once I stop out if my call is... Uh, honestly, it depends on, I would say it depends on how close they both are. It's like if Tesla runs up for it today, you might be able to sell out of that call and throw down for the put. It's like, yeah. But we'll see. We will have to see. So Tesla on the 15, they did cross to the upside on the 13 EMA. So that's kind of bullish now. Say Matthew, not Spy Matthew. Oh, okay. I was in L3 at Amazon. Good times. Good times. I was cool with all my, I don't even know. I want to say my manager was like a L, I guess L5. And I was cool with the L5, so I got to do whatever I wanted. Hey, I work at Amazon as a driver too. Get that money. Hey, it's good money. It's a good little hustle too. Yeah, good money. Can we get gold down to the 304, 303? What are we looking like on gold right now? If the market comes up, it's possible. You know they got that inverse relationship, so we'll see. It's like I'm very don't know what's gonna happen today. Here, let's go to the 15. So I feel worst case we retest 305 and then it might go up. That's my assumption, but we'll see. Yep, gonna get a 290 put on Tesla that expires today. Let's see what happens. We'll see. The today is very oh, now I'm looking at on the 15. We've been riding this 13 EMA this whole time too. So now my hope is I'm hoping for a bigger move now. Now I'm trying to this is how it is when you don't take your profits right away. It's like you need more to happen for success. Tesla equals Pepto-Bismol. Does that mean does it mean it's making your stomach feel better? I feel like it makes my stomach feel worse. F is going for it. Let's see. Oh, wrong one. Oh, it went for it. I hope you took that. That was quick. Oh, no, okay. That's not too bad. I would think it probably like makes that move again. I don't know. That was a move of excitement. Let's go see that on 1 minute. Let's look at the volume on that. Yeah, it just got like a surge of volume. Market makers are like, "Oh yeah, let's excite somebody." It's crazy. What do you think of Apple right now? I have a put on it. I don't really have any feelings about Apple right now. They do have What is it? WWDC this next week? I'm excited, bro. I'm trying to. Oh, what's this? 2024, 2025? Honestly, I think this is the longest I've had like a laptop. I got this 2020 M1 MacBook Pro, or I guess it's a 2021. I think it's early 2021. I don't know, but it's like I want faster speeds now. I'm not gonna lie, it's fast, it holds up, but it's like I want to upgrade, but I want to upgrade for something that I feel is actually an upgrade. It's like everything's faster already, and it's like it's a good deal, but I don't want them to come out with like the one that's actually like, oh yeah, that's the one I need to upgrade to the year after. So I've been trying to hold out because honestly, I don't need to upgrade right now, but I just want to. I want a bigger one. But oh, Apple itself, say it has support at 200, resistance at about 206, and yeah, it's doing some consolidating in this range, like larger range, 190, 214. Let me get rid of that. I don't know. It's like I have nothing to say about Apple right now. Circle is looking really bullish. Circle is one I cannot. Yeah, this is only thing I would say for this is. Oh, you said you cannot trade options on it. So yeah, the only thing for this, like most IPOs, like if we look at Nmax when it IPO'd, and like most other IPOs, they start off going crazy, bloop, then they do this. And it's usually around the time options come in, you start to see them come out. So this is Newsmax. Let's look at Bull had earnings too, or IPO too. So, oop, ran up like crazy. So it's like whenever I see an IPO, I just leave it alone. I leave it alone, let it do what it does. And it's like I'll come back in when it's cheaper. So Webull, I got like a leap around this $12 area. I was like, okay, when we see it back here, I'll get a leap. But down at this, like whenever it retests the low, I'll probably get another contract or something. Already working 3 jobs, not worried about losing $67 right now. I feel that. I feel like I technically have more than 3 jobs. Thoughts on Lyft? I was not thinking about it at all. It's still pulling back in a little kind of channel. I'm not sure how. Let's see. Might be something a little more like that, but Lyft has like almost like a little channel that is pulling back in, and until it like breaks out of this channel, it's not really much to say. So it's like if you get a break to the upside, cool. If not, it's just gonna keep coming back. So Lyft isn't one that I would really expect too much from right now. DGNX. DigiNex Unlimited. Wonder if it's too late. Probably chasing now. That's up 24% on the day. Let's see the volume. See if there's news. Signs MOU to acquire results. Yeah, it's like with stuff like this, I really don't know what to say. It's like if I really wanted to get in, I would wait for some sort of like EMA pullback. Like 5 minute EMA is going to be around 49. If it's 15, it's going to be around like 46. But for me, this isn't one I would trade just because it's not popular enough. But on the 4 hour, it is. But yeah, also since like the overall trend is going down on it, I would feel, I personally feel uneasy about it. It's like I'm not saying there's not money to be made to the upside. It's just like not one I would have comfort in. Been a tough week for me. Got any vids to help? Yeah, I got a playlist. I'll say take your time with this playlist. Money. Take the time with the playlist and then practice it. Like actually like put it to practice. I think it's money. Here, let's see. So yeah, that's the playlist. Tesla passed Nvidia on the highest options volume chart. Oh, you know what? Let's check the unusual options on Tesla. Hold up. Okay, it's buy selling off. Okay, so we hit my first target. Now we're going. Hold up. Gotta watch the SPY a little closer. Looks like it's trying to give me. Okay, we're up 90. Okay, up 100. Let me go on, set my stop. Here we go. Now I'm gonna just cut out, take profit. All right, I'm out at 92. Cool. Good day. We're out. Yo, victory. There we go. We did it. Yeah, I'm taking that. I'm taking it. Hit that first target. It very well could keep going. I'm not trying to play those games. Not trying to play those games. That's how we do it, family. Um, what was I saying though? I feel like I was saying something. There was something going on my phone, I think. And then I just saw like, oh, we're going down, and then oh, look at that, it's going. Hey, it's about to be in the money. Hey, I ain't mad though. I am not mad though. It's always a good day when you win a 0 DTE Friday. All right, let's see. Oh, you're very welcome, Daniel. Good morning, Ann. Let's see. Let's see. Tesla, yeah, doing a little sell off. China grants export incentives to rare earth suppliers to top automakers. Okay, Tesla was a bull. Wait, okay. Good work. Appreciate you, family. Tesla was a bull trap. Lucky J. Okay, I was wondering. Hey, I feel like I hadn't seen you today. Let's drop that. Hey, there we go. Let's see. I'm out. How you know it was gonna do it? We had this downtrend. I didn't fully know. It just seemed right. Cause there's a lot of things. So we had this liquidity. This looked like liquidity that needed to be swept on the 4 hour. Also on the 15-minute. We had trouble actually holding above that. We never confirmed above it. We had this downtrend. And then with this downtrend, we didn't confirm above this downtrend. Oh, those are some things right there. And then we usually get pullbacks to the EMAs. Honestly, looking at the 4 hour, something that wouldn't even be out of the question is a retracement to the 595 today. I'm just not trying to stick around for that because they don't want to make it happen fast. SPY blessing us after some time. Discipline wins the day. Up 71% on that Tesla put it. All right, hey, money. SPY moves right. How much did you make on that trade? Let me see. I think I got in for like 54 or something. Where is it? Where is SPY? So I bought in at 54, sold out at 93. So it was I tried to, when I saw it at 100%, I was like, yo, let me take it. But I took 72% profit. But hey, it is what it is. We'll take it. We'll take it. Kudos on the win 0. I know exactly what you mean. Today just seemed like a good day for it because honestly, I thought today was just going to be a melt up day. But then, I don't know, because of everything that happened yesterday, I'm like, yo, we're melting up too fast. Like how we opened, I don't know, right at the beginning of the day, before we opened, I was thinking we would get back to this range, like this kind of yesterday's range, but we actually ended up kind of like above it. I was thinking we end up in like 598 to 595. So, now we're back where I was like, okay, this is probably where we'll end tomorrow, but I don't know. Any signs of retracement? Retracement which way? I'm gonna be real, my trading brain is now shut off for the most part. Like if it's a day trade, that brain is shut off. If you're trying to look at next week. Oh, hold up. Speaking of next week, I did say I wanted the possibility of Nvidia. Yeah, I might try to potentially go for a call on Nvidia. Grab me one for next week. Let's see. This is that call I was looking at too. What was it? I don't know. We'll sit it out for now. Question: Robinhood, the account you recommend is the cash level 2 or more? So that comes down. It comes down to what kind of person you are, how you are. So I like for me, I like the margin with level 3 because I like to make my trades free. But if I am trying to make day trades every day, then the cash account will be the move. But me, I don't just have one account. I can essentially make day trades every day because I have like two wait. I have two margin accounts that what is it? No, not. I have two accounts on Robinhood, and then I have an account with Moomoo as well. So between that's 9-day trades. Hey, peace out, Daniel. Have a blessed weekend. Appreciate you, Majada. All right, so I'm gonna still watch this SPY just to see how it plays out. I think my original target was like right here though, just to. So yeah, we hit the target. Anything more than that was greed. Still very interested on Nvidia. Let me let's turn on the. It'd be nice if Nvidia could come back to. Can I do that? I don't want the value. I just want the. Oh shoot! I didn't even realize you could do that. I've been wanting to do this for the longest. Hey, it's game over now that I know you can set EMA alerts on the. I was like, yo, there has to be a way, but yo, I thought it was just that specific level. That's nice. Yeah, so if Nvidia pulls back to this 200 EMA, I might go for a call for next week. I don't know. I might be done for the day. Might go for a call. I'm gonna say odds lean towards me being done, but I could also go for it. It's kind of risky in this market though. Bull's having a alright day too. What do you think about Carvana? Let's see. Here, let me go to like a weekly on this. I have a hard time with Carvana. Yo, hold up. Is this all time over here? Yeah, that's all time. Yeah, it's about to it's about to be in a good area to like take take a short on for like if you're on a like if you get a leap or like get some time on it. This whole zone up here. Ideally it would be like kind of towards the top of the zone. But yeah, it's in a good area to get a short with some time on it. And like from where it's at, well, That's kind of tough. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's like maybe you could target 250. Yeah, next level of support maybe 290 if you can catch it up at the higher end of this, getting some really far out stuff. I'm gonna throw an alert up there. Appreciate you, Sarah. But Carvana looks like it's setting up for a good, like, if you get some time on it, a short. Oh, I can be greedy. Whenever it comes to these trades, I can get greedy. Like, but yeah, gotta exercise that discipline because in this market they like to rip it. All right, so we got Euro close coming in right now. So see if anything develops from here. Oh y'all, I got like a knockoff Stream Deck. So I'm try to play with that here pretty soon and try to figure out some stuff about that. See. Oh, Ford's doing that thing again. Let's see. Wait, hold on. Let me add Carvana to my watch list. I'm surprised it's not on there, honestly. $250 strike price at 65 that expires June 20th. Are you talking about on Carvana? Oh no, if I was talking about, so with Carvana, I would get like at least 6 months on it. So that was the weekly chart on Carvana. So Carvana's, I don't know, it's not one that I have a hard time with that on the shorter time frame. That one has a very wide bid to ask spreads. So it's like I want to be in for some time if I'm on that. All right, so we're coming down some more right now. Maybe not, maybe not. A little fake out. Yeah, 4 is trying. Let's see. Let's go back to a 15. Strong bullishness for it. Anybody got anything exciting going on this weekend? Just out of curiosity? Anything fun? Let's see what we see on here. Hold up. I saw a trailer for like Squid Games. When does that come out? Squid Game season 3. Oh, that's in 20 days. Okay. Okay. 3-on-3 basketball tournament on Sunday. Hey, good luck. Good luck. That sounds fun. Sounds fun. I'm scared to walk back. I'm scared to run by this park again. You know, those kids gonna be out there like, hey, we want a rematch. Yet to watch Squid Games. I don't know. I'm gonna be real. Squid Games is dark. Normally, I don't like stuff like that, but it really makes me think. Like it really makes me question a lot. I'm not. It's like I like it and I don't at the same time. I don't know how to describe it, but I don't know. Those kids will be waiting. We'll see. I ran by yesterday. I ran by the park. It was raining though. It was raining when I was running yesterday. I think tonight's my last night at the dog's house. I've been coming back. After streaming that first day, I was like, oh, I feel like very off with these. Very off not streaming here. So my wife likes Squid Games, not for me though. I don't blame you, man. Honestly, it's when you watch something and it's like it's a very uncomfortable feeling. It's like, oh, why are they doing that? Or like, no, don't do that. Most of the time, I like to watch things that make me laugh or inspire me. Honestly, Squid Games makes me think like, yo, how many people are actually in like situations like this? Or like, how many people would actually do this in real life? And I'm like, yo, I probably not necessarily know people who do it, but I probably have met some people who would 100% partake. Okay. Those kids will be waiting. Partying and telling people about investing like most weekends. Interesting. Partying. Simpson's a young party animal. Okay. Let's see. Waiting for Squid Games and Stranger Things. Hey, funny enough, when I met my wife, I had just started watching Squid Games. Or not Squid Games, Stranger Things. Like, watched it once with her. And then never watched it again. So this was like in 2016. So I have missed out on the whole Stranger Things thing. You said they'll be lurking in the bushes. APLD is pulling back, but it's pulling back to the trend line, so it's still like, oh, it could bounce. Pull back. I picked up 10 puts when it was up. Hey, good stuff. So I don't trade with Webull. Oh no, it's like I might get back to it at some point. It's like I could get back to it. Because now I'm invested in Webull. I'm invested in Webull, and I'm not. I don't trade on Webull, but nah, I got rubbed the wrong way. It's probably been a couple years now, but no, I don't trade on Webull right now. I still have my account. I just don't trade on Webull. I don't even think I have the app anymore. Let me see. Oh no, I have the app. But no, I don't trade on Webull. Like I'm signed out. I still get emails from them every month, like from the little investing summary, but no. What do you think of APLD? I think it's a great stock to be early on. I think it has a lot of upside. I haven't like fully gone in and done analysis and stuff, but like the people I look to for analysis, hey, I'm hearing some Palantir vibes. So I think there's money to be had there. Very welcome, Tiffany. But also, yeah, when I said there's money to be had there, I don't know about short term, but like, over a span of years, I think there's lots of potential. I would like to see some kind of return to maybe the $8 level at some point. Here, let me try to set an alert for that too. That would very much appeal to me, but you said SoFi swept, like from the upside or downside when you say SoFi swept? Let's see. Yeah, from earlier. Then there's a gap fill at 1370. And if it wants to come down to 1352, there's some liquidity in the demand zone there. The community, good morning. Did you pick up any? No, nah, I did not. I think the last IPO that I actually bought was ARM. It'd be great if everyone bought up Palantir right now. Oh, you need to go for a ride on up. Need to take the Palantir rocket. Is there a way to add your open positions and options? When you say add your open positions and options, what do you mean by that? If you're talking about my current open positions, uh, I'm I'm done trading for the day. Now I'm just here kind of talking. Only thing that I have open right now is going to be this Weeble call, but this is probably going to take a long time to play out. Like that expires in January. Hey fam, hope all is well. Been working like a Hebrew slave. Hebrew slave. How do they work? Okay, I know Jewish people speak Hebrew. Are Hebrews Jewish? Is that the same thing? I'm not trying to get racist or anything like that, but I'm like, hold up, I'm about to look it up. Yeah, okay. Yes, Hebrews are Jews. The terms are closely related and often used interchangeably with Judaism originating from the descents of Abraham. However, not all Hebrews are Jews, as some groups identify as Hebrew or Israelite without. Okay, okay, got you. All right. Need Elon to tweet about Trump again. Elon needs to. He needs a nap. Let's give him a nap. I don't know. APLD, I've been buying shit. Hey, good stuff. Probably buying in at the fours. Yeah, I do. You're very welcome, mommy. Have a blessed weekend. What app is it? So this is called TradingView. There's a mobile application as well as this is a website. If Ford could just give me my money back, I would be happy. Happiness comes from within. Yeah, it's like I feel like that's more excitement. It's like I think true happiness is whenever you're happy, no matter what the outcome. Jewish people speak Yiddish. Actually, that sounds legit too. Hold up, I got some Jewish friends, but they talk about like, don't they go to Hebrew school and stuff? I'm a like legit. I like my wife's like best friend is Jewish, and like honestly, anytime I watch like an Adam Sandler movie and it's like there's like cultural practices and I'm like, yo, is this a thing? And she'll be like, yeah, blah 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 blah. And I'm like, I think there was like this movie we had watched like I don't know within the past couple months. It's like something like you're so uninvited to my bat mitzvah or something like that that we had to ask her about. We're like, did you go through all this? She's like, oh yeah. We're like, oh, okay, this real. Okay. When SPY 9 EMA crosses 48 on the 5 minute, I heard that means it's. So I usually like the 13 EMA, and it really just depends on what time frame you're looking at. So I like to. It really just depends on like yeah what time frame you're looking at. On if we're looking on the daily chart, I like to look at the 15 instead of the 5. But this is how it looks on the 5 minute. But that's a trading strategy. It doesn't always work, but yeah, that usually helps identify the trend. ED Silver. So it's like it can be correct. Sometimes you'll want to see volume with that too. Because sometimes you'll get a cross, but it'll quickly turn back around and cross the other way. Like if we look over here when we cross down, we sold off really fast, but I guess we just stayed crossed down. Okay, didn't even realize that. But sometimes you'll get like quick crosses. Hebrew slave refers to when God's people were enslaved to Egypt and Moses led them out. Okay, got you. Bro, how crazy would it be to see like the Red Sea party, bro? And like if imagine like being a fish. Imagine you were about to swim just across that part. And then it's just like, yo, it stops. It's like you push your lips out to the water a little bit and it's like, oh, what's that? It's like, oh, I believe they call that air. All right, SPY looks like it might be, well, that's on the 5 minute. SPY looks like it might be getting ready to reverse to the upside now, honestly. Because it swept this liquidity down here. I think SPY is about to go up. I'm done for the day, but it looks like it's going up. That ketamine news hasn't sit too well, plus that tweet, Elon is a wild one. I don't think I saw the ketamine one. I'm still in my learning stages with trading. I have a question which may sound silly, but why do a person have to chart when the charts are constantly moving in real time? Honestly, don't understand. You are right about those games. Oh no, I feel that. So here, let's see. All right, so Sarah, I'm gonna give you some homework, okay? And I'm gonna Okay, so the link, this link is coming in right here. I'm gonna click and show you what it is. Down about. All right, so right here, this link is going to send you to a playlist. This is the first video in the playlist. It's going to answer those questions, but I'll also kind of answer it right now too. So this playlist is going to start off, we're going to go over like how to trade stocks for complete beginners, and it's going to kind of progress to some skills that are I find to be essential to kind of learn in this journey. In this video, I kind of go over first off like how to set up your charts in TradingView and whatnot. Hold up, I just got an alert or something. Okay, something just Omada shares just IPO'd at $23. All right, getting back to it. All right, first up, how to set up your charts, how to set up the tools in the charts. Then what is this? I kind of talk about good stocks to trade, because a lot of people are trying to trade stocks that don't have volume, stocks people aren't looking at. What stocks you trade make a difference. We talk about why, like looking at the candlesticks, because these candlesticks tell a story. The first video in the playlist is longer than a lot of the other ones, but there is a lot of valuable information. You can skip over what you kind of already have, but I would definitely recommend taking your time, taking notes. All right, so this part is how to analyze a trend. This, like understanding this stuff right here, how to analyze a trend and whatnot, this will help. Like being able to identify this on the fly, identify this in the charts, kind of why this is why you want to know what's going on in the charts and understand this stuff when it comes to charting. Like this is why the lines is like, yeah, the numbers are always changing, but when you can find what it looks like it's doing, then you can predict where it's going. So then we get into like how to draw trend lines. It's like if you find the trend and you find the trend line, it's like, oh, every time it comes here it bounces off. It's like, oh, there's where to take the trade. Then we got, okay, here it is on a real chart. Understanding risk versus reward. Hey, what trade's going to be worth it? Where to place your stop loss, where to take profit at, all that kind of answered. What brokerages I use, where I get my stock news, all that good stuff. This video is kind of, just geared towards trading, but whenever it comes to options, somebody asked about a video about swing trading. Second video in here, this kind of talks about using like time frames and whatnot. So this playlist, take your time, go through it. It'll really get you up to speed. Have you seen the illustration going around on Instagram? What's the illustration? Just watched the documentary on a diatribe in the Red Sea, finding remarks of chariot wheels. Hey, that's kind of dope. Like, I always love to see, like, I love when I see, like, all this evidence of the biblical, like, just history, all the stuff that happened in the Bible. Like, it's like, yo, we got proof all this stuff happened. It's like, yo, these stories, it's like, yo, we got proof it all happened. It's like, some of y'all are just looking for reasons not to believe. The SPY is really running now. Do you think it could be a... Honestly, I don't know. It's in an uptrend. It's been in an uptrend all day. So that trade I took, that was just a pullback trade. I think it's going to come down to if it gets above this or holds above this 599.75 level, but I would say the odds are greater that it gets above that now as opposed to earlier in the day. So yeah, it's definitely clear to keep going, because my original thesis and what I'm still looking for is like for SPY to like come up touch this on Monday, that would be nice. Gotta hop on a meeting. Hey, you too. Enjoy your meeting. Dang, Tesla passed Nvidia by 4 million on a. Yep. That the more volume that goes into the options contracts, the less they're going to allow it to move. The tighter the range is going to be on a Friday. Know that. Bob, good morning. Top of the morning. Honestly, with that being said, I think we're actually going to bring the stream to an end here, family. So I would like to take this time to say thank you very much for stopping by, family. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Hope those of you still in trades, I hope each and every one of y'all's trades goes y'all's way. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. All right, peace out, family. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, D. Scurv. Peace out, Gato. Peace out, Edie Silver. Peace out, Jody. Peace out, I Play Roblox. Peace out, Sarah. Peace out, D. Scurv. Peace out, Eddie. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, Tyler. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, D Community. Peace out, Majada Gator. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Big Reg. If y'all are here, and if y'all are not, have not yet, yo, Big Reg has a podcast tonight. Hey, just be aware of that. It's like chilling with the homies. Anil, peace out. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Dwight. Peace out, Anella. Hey, that's the goal, to change. Hey, it's not me changing your life. It's you changing your life. I'm just trying to help. And then, yeah. Family, stay blessed. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye.